Is it ogre? 100% meaty human hair easy. This is 100% human hair. And this is Brazilian hair. This is Brazilian wavy hair or Brazilian straight. And is it to density not to like density meaning can they like buzuhdu or cut in the village ogridu? It is 160% density, so it's 160 density, so it's more on the thinner side. So قربت يرق the village ogridu. Again, كم مدلت هون كان like بزح الله عصبات بزح ogri day photo like artificial كانوا دبز حنا خبدن. حجي إزي بزح تاش مخنن بزح heavy خنن كبير خنن. So it's a little bit more on the thinner side, but that's fine because sometimes I don't like a lot of hair and I don't want to have too much density. And you want it to look, if you want it to look more natural, I think 160 is 150, 160 density is pretty good. So this is about like 150 or 160 meeting. حمسندو ميتن سوسان density easy. So قربتي رقق دبلايو بوزح أول day low you. It looks like about 18 inches or maybe 20 inches. This is full lace actually. This whole thing is full lace. And actually that means you can part it a lot of different ways. Yeah, so this is actually full lace. So كله منفيت اللوا يو. منفيت اللوا كلها. يصير لهم منفيت كل اللوا. سلازي حجي أقرأ كنت تقولون نقطة دلخن like ماك كان كنت تقولون نقطة دلخن or لا على تقولون دلخن يكعلي مزي. So since this is full lace and it is, which is really cool, I like that. You can part it different ways and you can actually, yeah, you can part it different ways. And you can have it in 2 French braids. You can have it up in a ponytail, half up, half down. So that's pretty good. I like that about it. And the hair is really soft. I like it because it's soft. It's not like and when I took it out the package, it didn't have like no smell or nothing, which is good because whenever you buy hair, sometimes they have like a weird odor, and this didn't have no odor at all. My like shitay حجي تجازئة like online أو كالة تجازئة الله شتالله ويو كم زكرت شتالله حجي شنو دبلاقيه جنزي كموش أنا يبلون شتا يبلون it's really good and تش أقرأ خالص لسيو مل تاهم تلو بتجرنيا لماش you. Okay, so what I did was تاجره تاش من يرويو out أنا حجي أفتوني تاش مهجا برابرسي كم زي ما مشت عينت نرويو. لازم زي ما مشهد أبوزح فوتونه because تاش مي أخو قبره بزي قلوخ قبره اللخينه تاش مو هاجر اللخو زي elastic band ترى اللخو زي elastic band جر اللخو جزئة كاب أبزخونه دكان تجوزويهم كم زي ناي fabric دكان ناي أرك دكان تلو or أب كم زي art store خير كم تجوزويهم جنا أنا أب art store أجزئة زي AC more أجزئة زي elastic band حجز elastic كوينو حزل كايج أقرخا even if glue أجابر كان تونكان it's good to buy even glue I get back on Tonka. So Allah sab glue gabra delianin. So lazi gabra delianin Tonken elastic band is good for that. Izukhat I get the elastic band gezi ayo or it's tash magereo. So gereo. Qalili it's not really worth it. Again kalma atakhar kana hama gereo. So usually I take the combs out. I don't really like the combs because it kind of like irritates my scalp and everything, so I don't use the comb, so I take the combs out of it. As you can see, I put an elastic band. I got this elastic band from AC More. You guys can find it on Amazon, just put elastic band, or you guys can go to an art store or fabric store and find it, and I'll show you guys like on my next video with how to sew it in and everything. I leave the back comb. The reason why I do that is because I kind of want to have it hold my back hair, so I don't like to use the other combs, but I actually keep this comb in for the back so it can keep it secure for me. Like I said, this is full lace and it's really pretty and I like it, and it's not super thick, which is good because sometimes you don't want to deal with like super thick hair. So let's get into this video. Let's get into cutting the lace and everything. So حاجة غير كنا خمجة كنا زي منفيت قلت آخر كنا كنا والكهن ملت ليس عم ملت منفيت the lower and Brazilian chogriyu and cool to details cool. Yeah, I mean I to goes all website to Instagram so I'm gonna give you guys all the information of this unit in my description bar. If you don't know where the description is, it is down below. Click that arrow that's going down and I'll have everything down there for you guys, and where you guys can find this, where actually I will send you guys the person who sent me this to do this review information down below, their Instagram and also their website. So let's get into das فلكم عم كلت تدلكم تقولون وياكم أجرهم رجد تبدأ تخاينوا كم ز رجج أجر تلكن كم ز بزحت تبدأ أجر تخاينوا أب حمش تري وأب شدش تقولون وياكم جنا أنا أجر حجي لما شيو so أب أرعتي قلنا يلا دخل أجري and أبزد بدحتك حسري يلا دخل بفيك وجرة. So I braided my hair in 4. You guys can braid it in 6. You can braid it as thin as you want. If you have thicker hair, if you don't want it to look too bulky, you can definitely braid it smaller and with more braids. But since my hair is more on the finer side, I'm actually just gonna braid my hair in 4 and call it a day. And what I'm gonna use is a cap right here. So this is actually one of my caps that I used before that I already had cut. So, and I'm kind of out of like caps right now and I don't feel like going to the beauty supply store to buy some. So I'm just gonna use this one from before. It's still good. So cap كمزي cap. Is a cap حجي like ملو إنيرو جن أبزك قريت أيو كلمة تحنت ويك the جوار كوان نرى قريت أيو نرى. So كم خينيو حجي هودي أخوينا كخير دلقن دكان كجزء. So لذيذ إنك أنا ميخطكم. So what you're gonna do is judge me, you guys. I know you're probably like, what the hell? Why she got this beat up? It's not beat up, you guys. It's not beat up. So I'm gonna put the cap on. And this cap is acting real funny right now. Okay, so I put the cap on, and just wanna protect my hair. And you wanna protect your hair. Okay, so the cap حجي أجرها يخانا خلال كايو كالوها تجبر protect جبره خم دبلكم يخانا خلالكم ينشج أجرهن كالوها نشج أجرها smooth جبره. Alright, so my cap is acting a little strange, you guys, but don't mind me. قربتي تجبر جنبارنا كن نجلا خوين هو نحاول عشان نجلا زيك جنبارنا. Okay, so then what I'm going to use is this Gots to Be glue. This is the Gots to Be glued blast free spray, and this is what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to spray this. This spray to the Gots to Be spray you. أبزخون الدكان أب عدخن تروحوا أتخون أخن أتروحون تخون كم أب Amazon ديو أب website ناتهم أتهم أو أب Google أتهم تحفكم Gots to Be glued spray تحفكم تروحوا أهم. أنا حجز زي أب أمريكا جزية for شعتك أشياء جزية أب any beauty supply store. But if you're in America تلخن أبزخون الدكان Target ديو Walmart ديو Druggers Farm Market تبلوهم أب Canada تلخم سباتكوا أبزخون الدكان تروحوا أهم نزي or beauty supply store. I bought mine from a beauty supply store for $7, but you guys can find it anywhere. It's pretty known. I don't know if anybody doesn't have it in their country. I mean, it's everywhere. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is حجتها قبل أبتش أقرأ خز أبتش cap أبتش قبل قريد اللي خز قبل أو spray قبل اللي so نزيجره spray قبل اللي نجي نزيجره spray قبل نسخة خمة come on spray the hair. Okay. This is pretty much it protects your hair and it protects this over here too, you know, keep it flat. حجي بتلك كنت هشمو خمزة blow dryer جا كنت قبره ياخن جنيه بل كنت خاينو like بزخون أنا قرر كده كن كمزة كن تقبروا أخن. But me, I have a blow dryer, so I'm gonna go get my blow dryer. Blow dryer, Costco, تلاقين Costco عينة blow dryer. So تتكلم أخن. جيني بالكن تخوينه. ختصبيا أخن كنا كتس قربتي. فلذي أنا اللي نيجي so أنا جزء خالي باللين كوينه blow dryer كده خقبره. Now is get the hair. Gonna get this hair. So تاجا برح جن تجأجري كبرة يا برسي. So the elastic band. So بدي حيت كم زجرة. Okay. So تممشت بدي حيت الله. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the comb that I have, I'm gonna just place that like right in my hair like that. So then تممشت أو بتحكي قبرة. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now we're gonna fix this around to see exactly. So we're gonna cut the lace now, and I'm gonna show you guys where to cut it and how far you want it. Okay. So I'm gonna place it down. This is how low I'm gonna place it down. Okay, so I'm gonna place so we don't cut the chogri. You're not gonna have that. We're gonna put a bobby pin and like hold it, or you guys can use a clip. I'm also using a clip as well. It's whatever you have. I only had that many clips. I feel like I lose them a lot. I don't know why. Okay, we are gonna cut the lace into the manfit can قرصينا. So it's actually better. أنا type لكن out إخن كاميرا السخن كدم كتقبره كاميرا السخن out إخن كأسل كنا أنت منفيت تقرصه. تقبره من قريت كن تقبره إخن you're gonna get very close. قرب أخذ خون إخن كتقربه إخن أبزي أخن كنت قرصه أبزون كنت قرصه جينا أبزي أخذ قرصه إخن أبزي قربتي إنش كابزي أبزي قربتي منفيت كتقرصه إخن إذا تو أبزي الله تقرصه إخن جين قربتي تعرف كتقرب على لكن قربتي تعرف. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of space. So, but I would advise you guys to do this without it on your head. But I'm just gonna do it with this on my head so I can show you guys how to do it. But I wouldn't advise you to do it with it on. But especially if you're new. If حدش يتخون كنا comes in نجارات أنا خبلك ندلي نت wig out إخن تمنفيت أسل كان out إخن أنا خبلك ندلي because it's easier لحرايتها شوية تقرن هاي تقرط on تيج أجري. So قربتي منفيت تقرف على إخن. You're gonna leave a little bit of space and cut it. It gets easy to cut it like after a while when you get used to it. Again, it can be challenging. Mr. Shape ناتج أجري خن كتكرا. حاجة Mr. Shape حاجة خمزي تيلو. كم تا ناتا شيبا كم تا ناتا تاخمتوا قرصا ناتا كم زي تيلو تقرصي بوق اسلكن مسا قرصا ناتا جوغري يخن كتقرصو حجخو مغري تقرصو للخو. I'm doing it just like the way that it's already shaped. So that's how I'm going to cut it, the way that it's already shaped, like the natural shape of it. So I know بزحات سبكجي I know ودات زي عري تاخن كي اخي كم زي تقابري جوغري قلمه يمبوكا يتكامل ستحف لي حرك زي يقربني كايم دبل يدون انا سوقكم يكون زاربو حرك زي الله سبات سوق زاربو دي اساسر النجر كاي زاربو حجي انا هذوكم دلي ازي جوغاي صبيو أنا أتقول أنا نتج أجري جن حوي خجبر لي دليج أجري حبري خجبر لي دليج أجري جن نتج أجري خبالة شو دلينا so كاب نتج أجري لبالة شو تخينا ناكل ما ناكلج أجري human hair جزئة تاش مجبرة دسلني حبر ديو قلمله يجبرة نتج أجري أي تاش ما خون I تنكفني you know so a lot of people are always like why do you want to wear wigs nimentai like why but it's not I wear wigs because I want to protect my hair it's more of like a protecting style for me it's not really like I have hair it's just that I like to wear wigs so I can change up my hairstyle and I don't have to sit there and you know mess up my own hair just to achieve that you know so that's why I like to wear wigs there's nothing wrong with my hair but I want to protect my own hair and protecting my own hair is you know is easier if I use a wig so it's easier if you guys use if you do this without this on your head but because I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna use this keep it on alright so let me clip this side of the hair because it's like keep bothering me here guys so I'm back I just cut all the lace and everything and we're gonna use the Gots to Be glue this is the Gots to Be styling sticking glue that's what we're gonna use so you don't really need too much of this just a little bit and you're gonna put that all here like you can put it on the cap a little bit and then you're gonna put it right here you're gonna put it right around here and right around here so side so I'm gonna put this on not abshich ogra kan go abzi kan go up to so I'm gonna bring this is it Tigrigna kanalu is it glue this Gots to Be glue is very strong it like really does stick and it makes the lace front stick trust me because that's what I do all the time I use this when I'm putting on my human lace front wigs and it holds this thing down again you want to protect your hair so that's why I'm putting some of it like this when it comes to nighttime gize because it's not good for your edges or mushat you or so you never want to at night or whenever you want to take this wig off you never want to pull it off you don't want to like slowly what you do is you get like a cotton ball like a like my gerken تلقي قبل كان تتقط أبزع همزة gerken طبق قبل كان خنقطوت on it منفيت نت lace front wig you never want to just pull it out because if you pull it out then say goodbye to your edges because them things is gonna be gone super gone like gone you ain't gonna come back it's gonna take some time okay so to glue get a little into manfit into gambare او زي get a little so كاسكو ولا حجها it's gonna become it's gonna be tacky so once it's tacky همزي تلكايو دبل فتح دبل تقوينه that means it's ready to book so we're gonna get this lace okay so we're gonna get this lace and we're back حجي مستمع كسكرة ما كسكرة هون كن قرط اللخو تجبر اللخو نعود طبق كبل هش مقبل اللخو طبق كم دبل طبق كبل طبق جرو Okay. Let me show you. It's tight. حاجة تاع قبرة منديل خقبرة منديل حاجة منديل قبر اللي أخن منديل مزيجر كان. So you're gonna put a scarf on. منديل قبرة أخن. You're gonna put a scarf and you're gonna just tie it down like this. قط عبيد كان تحوزو يخن يركن حجنا حمش داك اكدو نعسر تداك اكدو هم زاجر كن كتقرفو يخن. So you're gonna leave this on for like maybe like 10 minutes or maybe like 5 minutes or something. And once I get done this part, I'm gonna show you guys how I style it. So stay tuned, guys. Show you guys how I pluck it and get it to look more customized. So stay tuned. حاجتها قبل خر إكنا خميجرة يعريو يستخخلو more natural خمسة تدليو كر إكنا قال خاص straighten قبره بالسرا كوردل بالسرا قبل اللي نتجاجري كر إكنا خمي مثل جيسو خر إكنا خميجرة يعريو نتجاجري. So as you can see, it's like I didn't pre-pluck it. It's not pre-plucked, and it's not what you call it either. It's not the knots are not bleached. So to allow the تاخذهم بتقرنيا نزغ سرحوا تقلم فتلين تقوموا كعصروا نزج أجري نتمم فيه. سلازي ببليتش كركات عرية إخا more comes نايك أربطنا شفان إسخاخ مثل يجبروا إن جن أنا جزاي بلين كونون نعو خمو جبروا I جبر كون كله جزاي خلي أكنه خميت جبروا. So I'm gonna part it here. Y'all can see. I hope you guys can see through all the part it here. And you see how it's like so much volume here. You can fix that with you can actually do like put some water down on here and it'll flatten it down for you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this much part of the hair, this part of it. Okay. باي تاش ما تقمه tweezer تقمه فعلا tweezer تقمه حاجي تاقوله عبزهم زيجره تجأجري كان إسوي قبتي more natural خمسة. So I'm gonna tweeze my the hairs to give it more of a natural look, make it look a little bit more natural. I know people probably will cut this first and then do that, but shit, you can do that too. تن إسوي خن زي حسن لحن قلعن. Just gonna pull it and take an escabalon and touch ogre because tash مخوينو يترى natural مسالو such ogre خمسة أي مسنيو. So the natural خمسة تخوينو you have to pluck it. So pluck it go رايخن. Baruka maskabarkana. It's baby hair خمسة. It's too thick, so what I'm gonna do is, or lama talakamka is easier. If you have like a razor, it's way easier to like thin it out. Honestly, get a razor. And is it? So taga برحجي قربتي concealer do or powder قولي أبزت منفيت. جل الله خن تعالى خن دلله قربتي خمسل. I'm gonna put حجزي black opal. Ew, this is black opal foundation stick. This is a foundation stick black opal. Again تدلخن قربتي concealer تقولي خن or powder تلكن or foundation تلكن تقمعهن. جن أنا foundation أخذتكم. حجي أبتات زي خلقيه مجمرتكم يا خبر نرني أبت بوشتو جن جيزة قلت تحاول غير اللغة. So I was gonna actually apply this onto the cap itself, some of this powder, I mean this foundation, but I didn't have enough time, so I just like didn't do it. But you guys can do that. I'm just kind of like in a rush. Like I want to do this video because I have something to do. So then what I'm gonna do is part my hair right in the middle. I'm gonna part my hair right in the middle, and then like it's a little bit up, but I'm gonna straighten my hair. So I think once I straighten it, it'll come down. But if you guys don't want to straighten it, you can always just put water and flatten it down. Same thing, I'm gonna just get the comb there. Then I'm gonna get this right here. And same thing with the straightener. And then I'm gonna straighten this hair with it like that. So if you guys are wondering what I'm using for this, I don't even know. I think it's called the Cortex. Is that hair straightener Cortex Hashima? I be at a gift that get it and then I'm asani. Is that gift sabibini? So to Shima Cortex you I guess you my follow تكون. Because حتى سب حتى إننا تتقملوا electronics نج أقدر خيبات كتب اليوم أنت أخذت قميلة حتى إننا حالة سبب يوتيوب. جناي أبي جزء زي أجزءهم بعلي. جن أب أمازون يجزء أمازون جزايو. نبي حكي like كل نجار كاب أمازون هذا جزء. because كل نجار أو يروح بخوينه. جزء خاب بزح جزء باللين shopping كخير جلس أو online shopping هذا جبر. كل جزء. Okay, so حجيني تمست foundation جرخة أو زيها تلو طبق قبله هم رأسي كمش منفي رأسي خمسل حبري كمو خمسل أزخ أخلقيه تايجره زي سبراي تتأكي منره أنا بزي أخم زيره كربتاي بيت كبد زيله جرلو بيت كبد كمو جرلو أبزخها بالسترا جره نبليه أبزخها زي توي نبليه جيبوه بزي خيره and a little bit of the spray تأكيمه هبلهم زي جره كربتاي اوكي شكرا تات حجي ودي لكم مربينا زي باركو ليس فرونت ويج كما يقدركن تستخاخل او كما يقدركن تلقوا او اريكن لغو تسفا يقبر تكون او تكون زي فيديو كي ترسع لايك كومنت شير اند سبسكرايب كتقبره قال خبلك ندلوها حتى نيخن ابي غزي خيازيا انا كون كان غزيا سبيو ادفرتايز خقبر دسدلي بزحات كنت حتى ناي باركو اب انستغرام سلازي خمو خينه اريكن كل information نايزي باركو أبيت جوزو ويب سايت كتحفظ كنه كالوخا تنايتا سب إنستغرام ناتاخا كسدلكنه شما أو خير كنعا خنت حتى بإنجلش كنت حتى أمريكاويته سلزي بإنجلش يو اوكي ابزاك اربا وانكا خزرجح فيديو خميجر كنكا نباركو ليس فرونت وي كميجر كنتوت اوخا غير اكنه قليليو نج اغركنكا عبون قرال كنيو سو اي تسكفا سو ابزاك اربا وانكا راخبينا تشاو شكرا تستنايو باي كا حتى اخن كميجر كاي خاتلغسو ليس فرونت ابمشت سو تاي تغبرا توت مش تغبرا ماي تطلق اون تطوت ماي تطلق اخن ابت ليس فرونت دلو ابزتا دلو ما يكمل زيت قبله تلقيه خن تبله تلقيه بالكن دحاي وانت تلقيه طب غير خمس دا قبلكن تاعت قبل تجلو كراكيو دحاي كاسلكن تلقصو تعبيكن كم زيت اسلكن تعبيكن كنت تقبره ما وعي جميلكن كم ما وعي جميلكن كم زيت قبره توسخالو ما وعي يوت دحاي مست اوت خن تلو طرف نايغلو تاعت قبره alcohol inshallah nai alcohol rubbing alcohol utugaralu rubbing alcohol gerken toto yagan so whenever you're trying to take out a lace front I know it can be very complicated because it's stuck all day and then you want to take it out at night or you want to take it out whatever time you want to take it out. What you're going to do is you're going to get a cotton ball, you're going to drench it in warm water and you're going to dab it all onto the lace part and you're going to dab it and loosen up the glue. Now if it rises up for you with no problem, then good. But if it's still giving you issues, what you need to do is so if it's still giving you issues and it's not rising up for you, what you're gonna do is you're gonna continue to keep putting warm water on it and then slowly pull it. And if it doesn't like let you pull it still, keep putting warm water until it's all drenched and it's soft. After that, when you take it off, if there's still residue of glue, you're gonna get alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and you're gonna rub it onto that and then it's gonna remove. So that's how you remove it. So okay, bye shukran tat. See you guys next Wednesday.